Mo Willems and Mr. Smith present That Is Not a Good Idea. Oh my. Ooh, look at there. Hello. What luck! Dinner. Excuse me, would you care to go for a stroll? Hee. Oh. Sure. What'd she say? That is not a good idea. No. Well, would you care to continue our walk into the deep, dark woods? Hee. What'd he say? Oh, well that does sound like fun. Yes, that sounds like fun. Oh, well that is really not a good idea. Did you say yes? What? Would you care to visit my nearby kitchen? Ooh. 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 Kitchen. Oh. I would love to. That is really, really not a good idea. No, it isn't. Kitchen? What'd you say? Would you care to boil some water for soup? Oh, boil some water. Oh, certainly. I do love soup. Huh? Oh, that is really, really not a good idea. You should listen to him. Would you care to look at my soup? A key ingredient is missing. What? Oh. Oh, no. Oh. Crackle, crackle. Oh, what? No. No. That is really, 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 really not a good idea. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, a key ingredient is missing. Whomp! Splash! Oh my! You! Yum, yum. Yeah, this is gonna be great. Yes, oh yeah. I'm next. Oh, hello. Well, we did try to warn him. More soup, children? Be